O mentrang ba ka jelaw Conrad ki sangma manta ka si ka apro pratrik ulba aja punreu roong baki kampen roi kimla ban telun lada kamdon ka soka ni ka sain pathei ka baskem ia kan ong habakren ha ka jing rakhi dak Snem ka soka miga Democratic Alliance MDA ha ka jing bat yo lakam sensial ha ka jela nadu Snem a Hajar khatra kanik soka ka rakhi kerpang ni sengi hamdan pelum ta ka sengi ha ka balawan si menta gi breu na keleng jaka gi bakot sia kan gi jingala trăng ba wa ong ba ha kini ki pras ne ba lai tang ha Khasi-Jaintia his lamang si Hajar san spa apru tuli ki project ne ki kampen roi bat la Pyllut kumba apwe Hajar aspa anyu pu prakru tengka ul ong ba ki kampen roi ki jinglut pisa soka kim don jingmot setia lada ki paj ba kim yo jimento ha kani ki singi yo ru ya ka jingkran na wem ek sning Dr. Silin Stin lengdo Menteri Ketenat Karep Kadang Timothy Disira Naloki Waipan.
Kublai ba pila yawan shakne ka program. Eight years back, with the blessings of the Almighty and with the support of the people of Meghalaya, we embarked on a journey to transform our state and to make a positive difference in the lives of our citizens. After 8 years, we don't claim to have done everything that needs to be. There is a long journey ahead of us. But I can tell you that we are in the right direction. And all of this has happened not just because of one individual or because of a few people. This has happened because the citizens of our state have collectively believed in the vision that we have laid before the state and its people. It is that belief that has allowed us to reach to this moment. Friends, for any political organization, for any government to be able to achieve a certain level of growth, political stability is important. Without political stability, nothing can happen. In the last 8 years, with the support of the people, support of like-minded leaders, we were able to bring that political stability in our state, which allowed us to create that vision, take the decisions, and make those decisions right by ensuring that we continue to persist and work towards making those decisions right. And hence, I take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you for making that a possibility. Our development model is very simple. Friends, we believe that we must have development in terms of infrastructure, growth and development in the state. Without infrastructure, without good roads, without hospitals, without schools, without necessary tourism infrastructure, agriculture infrastructure, nothing can move forward. And hence investment and growth in infrastructure is key. In the last 8 years, in the Khasi-Jaintia Hills sector alone, 1,576 projects have been initiated. Over 21,278 crores of projects are being implemented just in the Khasi-Jaintia Hills sector alone. Large road projects, different tourism projects, projects to develop the new Shillong city area, projects to develop hospitals, sub-centers, PHCs, schools, colleges. All of this investment has touched over 21,000 crores in the last 8 years itself. The second most important pillar, while we look at economic growth, is to also ensure that we carry the people along with us. There is no use of infrastructure development if it does not make a difference in the lives of the people. A government's development is incomplete without every citizen benefiting from that development. And hence many welfare schemes were rolled out. Under Prime, many entrepreneurs were supported. Over 32.7 crores was spent in the last 5 years alone. In the homestay sector, close to 136 crores have been spent to develop and promote tourism through different homestays, which are affecting individual lives, creating livelihood, and supporting people at the rural area. Under our Meghalaya grassroots music program, 7,000 artists have been given close to 40 crores in 2 seasons alone. These are musicians who have talent but have no place to perform. The CM Meghalaya Grassroots Music Program gave them this opportunity, and we spent close to 40 crores in the last 2 seasons. Under the Green Meghalaya and Green Meghalaya Plus, we have spent close to 120 crores distributing money to different individuals, different communities, to preserve the forest that they are owning and they are taking care of. Under CM Scholarship, in the last month or 2 months before, close to 1 lakh students received 6,000 rupees each, meaning close to 60 crores was distributed to 1 lakh students under CM Scholarship. Under Focus Plus, we have distributed close to 150 crores to different beneficiaries. Under CM Elevate, we have distributed 146 crores to different beneficiaries. Under LIFCOM, which provides working capital to small farmers and organizations, 56 crores has been spent by the government. Under the Floriculture Mission, our expenditure in the last 5 years has crossed 50 crores. Friends, if you look at all of this schemes that have been given to the people, directly to the beneficiaries, We have crossed more than 500 crores in terms of different welfare, different agriculture, different student and different youth and entrepreneurship programs.